Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we will talk about beetroot face bleach. So as you know that beetroot, it boosts the skin hydration, it fights with acne and this is very powerful for skin whitening. What you need to do is you have to take half beetroot and cut it in small slices. The second ingredient which you need is that is also very organic potato. Potato have vitamin C and zinc that boost collagen production. Third organic ingredient that we need is tomato, which is very good exfoliating agent. It tightens the pores and also prevent acne. Next ingredient is lemon, which is very good for skin brightening and tightening, and it also prevents so many skin infections. You have to take lemon along with the peel and cut it in small piece. Take half lemon. The fifth ingredient is the curd or yogurt. Take 2 tablespoons of the curd. Yogurt helps to rejuvenate your skin and remove the dead skin cells. Put all the ingredients in a blender and blend it, make a thick paste, and after that you have to stain this liquid. Whatever the liquid left, we are going to use it mixed with 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, as besan is very good. So apply this mask at least once in a week on your face for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it with water and see the result. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel for watching more such videos.